those colors. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. My Wiggins Pass on a Sunday morning. Absolutely glorious. Wish you were here with me. Hit that share button if you're liking what you're seeing. Look at those reflections in the water. Kind of humid out here. It's feeling like in the 90s already. Still beautiful though. These views make up for the warm temperatures. Absolutely glorious. A kayaker coming in on the left here. Somewhere. How cool was that? Alright, I gotta get moving along, start my live feed. It's getting late here. Thanks for watching. Again, hit that share button. Thanks for allowing me into your lives and onto your screens. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Robb. God bless.